Interview tips for a software engineering manager. This guide will help candidates prepare for a software engineering manager interview by focusing on leadership, management skills, technical expertise, and the ability to collaborate with cross-functional teams. General interview preparation. Understand company values. Review the company's mission, vision, and engineering culture to align your responses. Know the team structure. Understand the size and focus of the engineering teams you would manage. Explore the company's products. Familiarize yourself with the products or services the company develops, as this can inform your leadership style and vision. Past managerial experience. Be ready to discuss your experience in leading software teams, managing technical projects, and navigating challenges. Performance management. Prepare examples of how you've handled team performance, both positive and negative. Team building and mentoring. Emphasize how you've mentored and supported engineers in their career development. Technical interview preparation. Software architecture. Be prepared to discuss your understanding of scalable and maintainable software architectures, including microservices, cloud infrastructure, and design patterns. Code quality practices. Demonstrate your knowledge of best practices for clean code, code reviews, and quality assurance. Technology stack. Be familiar with the tech stack the company uses, whether it's Java, Python, JavaScript, or frameworks like React or Angular. CI/CD and DevOps. Know the integration of continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines in the software development lifecycle. Scalable systems. Be prepared to discuss how you would design large-scale systems and manage trade-offs in terms of performance, cost, and maintainability. Cloud solutions. Understand cloud technologies and how to architect software solutions for scalability and fault tolerance. Database design. Be ready to discuss how to choose between SQL and NoSQL databases and when to use each. Handling technical debt. Show your approach to managing technical debt while ensuring project deadlines are met. Decision-making. Be ready to explain your decision-making process when faced with technical choices or conflicting opinions in the team. Trade-off analysis. Discuss how you balance competing priorities like speed versus quality, or resource constraints versus technical requirements. Behavioral interview preparation. Use the STAR method to respond to behavioral interview questions effectively. Situation. Describe the context or challenge. Task. Explain what you needed to accomplish. Action. Discuss the actions you took to achieve the goal. Result. Explain the outcome, ideally with quantifiable results. How do you manage and motivate your engineering team? Tell us about a time when you had to resolve a conflict between team members. Describe how you handle situations where a project is behind schedule. How do you ensure the professional growth of your engineers? Tell us about a difficult decision you made that impacted your team. How do you prioritize competing demands from stakeholders? Empathy. Show your ability to understand and support team members personally and professionally. Communication. Demonstrate how you communicate with your team, senior leadership, and other departments. Adaptability. Be prepared to discuss how you adapt your leadership style based on team needs or challenges. Project and team management skills. Scrum or Kanban. Be familiar with Agile frameworks and how you have applied them to software projects. Sprint planning. Know how to manage sprint cycles, allocate work, and keep the team on track. Retrospectives. Be prepared to talk about how you facilitate retrospectives and encourage continuous improvement. Managing deadlines. Demonstrate how you balance resource allocation, time management, and scope changes to meet deadlines. Delegation. Show your approach to delegating tasks effectively, taking into account team members' strengths and weaknesses. Handling expectations. Be ready to discuss how you manage expectations with stakeholders and keep them informed. Negotiating scope and priorities. Discuss how you balance stakeholder demands with your team's capacity and technical considerations. Mock interviews and practice. Lead mock interviews. Practice with someone acting as a direct report. This helps you simulate handling leadership situations. Scenario-based questions. Be prepared for hypothetical situations. Solve system design challenges. Practice system design interviews by tackling real-world problems. Manage technical discussions. Practice explaining complex technical topics clearly, as you will likely need to communicate these to non-technical stakeholders. During the interview, inspire confidence. Display your confidence and passion for leading engineering teams and driving results. Be an active listener. Listen to the interviewer's concerns or feedback carefully and respond thoughtfully. Explain your thought process. Whether discussing technical solutions or management strategies, clearly explain your reasoning. Show empathy. Acknowledge the challenges faced by your team, demonstrating an understanding of their pain points. Team dynamics. Ask about the team structure, challenges they face, and how you can support them. Company growth and vision. Inquire about how engineering fits into the broader company goals and how you can contribute to achieving those. Post-interview tips. Reiterate interest. After the interview, send a personalized thank you note to express your continued interest and appreciation for the opportunity. Evaluate your performance. Think about what went well and areas you could improve. Be prepared for further rounds or feedback. Continuous improvement. Use any feedback to improve your future interviews. Preparing for a software engineering manager interview requires a blend of strong technical knowledge, leadership skills, and the ability to manage teams and stakeholders effectively. By focusing on your leadership experience, technical expertise, and communication skills, you'll be able to demonstrate that you can not only manage and lead engineering teams but also drive the strategic direction of software development efforts.